This is 10 to 15 minutes, but I will not take much time, so I will let you know when to start. 10 to 12 minutes is you show green card at 10, 11. Okay. Good afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon.
How are you feeling today? Okay.
Mas panas.
But it seems like the energy is very low here, just because that the audience is very less. Probably that may be one of the reasons, or maybe you are a little lazy in this climate. So I chose this particular topic, creating the best club climate. Now, as you can see, the climate is very much chilled, and most of them usually feel sleepy. But I believe that this is the best climate to open up your minds and think on it and think more on your purpose, what exactly you are doing in day-to-day basis. Now, as we are in Toastmasters, so I wanted to present a topic, and this is one of the part from Successful Club series. This comes in the Advanced Leadership section. So I'm delivering one of the topics from this particular section. So which will be helpful for all the new members or the guests. Creating the best club climate. So what exactly you mean by this? Anyone? Just any thoughts?
The environment, how to create an environment of productivity in a club.
Okay. Environment of productivity. Any more thoughts?
Environment of enthusiasm.
Environment of enthusiasm.
And environment
Environment
And-
environment where each one of us can improve upon their quality of the public speaking or whatever they aspire to.
An environment where everyone is free to share his feelings, his thoughts, his facts.
Okay. Okay. So let's see. These all our thoughts are valid. Now let's see how exactly this is being defined in terms of Toastmaster and what are those things which we need to take care of. So club climate. This is the deciding factor wherein guests will be deciding whether to join or not join. So what are those factors which are essential to be taken care by the members of this club? Based upon this, the guest will be deciding whether to join or not join. So what are those factors which are necessary to be taken care? So in this deciding factor, we have two main factors. One is the learning environment, second the member interactions. So let's see one by one. Learning environment. The environment wherein each member has something to share, and that should be applicable to all the members. It should be on a very general note and not on a very specific thing, because we have to deliver a generalized way where members can take away something from the speakers, right? So that kind of environment is necessary where here people come to share their knowledge and to gain knowledge, right? So this is one of the things. So learning environment is a very essential factor which all the members will be benefited. As members from this club, we need to take care on this particular point very priority. Second, member interactions. Now, most of the people come in this forum as this is being all public forum. So the interactions have to be very fruitful enough. If there are very less interactions in the club, it becomes a very boring thing, and people tend to often disconnect from this forum. If there is more interaction and very strong interaction, then people will be also interested, and I can say they will be having a great panache, right? Right. Okay. So I try to use that. So this is the very important thing. Two things. One is learning environment, and second, member interaction. These two factors will be the deciding factor for the guest to take a decision whether to join or not join. So these are the very important things to be taken care of. Now, how can we take care of these things? We will see in the following. Okay. As we all have been hearing from our childhood, that first impression is the last impression. So it applies in everywhere and in every forum or whatever the activity which you do. be it in terms of your job, it's your first day and you will be having the same feeling that I have to create an impression on my team, in my team, with the manager or with my youth, right? That is one of the thing which comes. On any other example as well, wherever you go, you always think that creating the first impression is very important. Likewise, in this club as well, in this forum, Toastmaster forum as well, when you are in this club with a team, making a good impression is a very important thing. Now, how can you create an impression on the guests or the members? So I will list them. There are a few points, and we will go in detail. First is arriving prepared. Arriving prepared. What do you mean by this? It's a very simple thing, but lot of things are involved in this. Amen. Coming prepared to the meeting. Doing the homework.
Doing research of the topic.
Doing research of the topic. Okay.
Knowing what you want to learn in this.
Right. So let me sum it up with all these points. Arriving prepared. In every activity, what you do, preparation is required. What activity you are taking and what responsibility you are taking, you should be aware of it. Let's take an example of Toastmaster itself. You are the Toastmaster of the day, and this is something first time you are listening and which you are handling, right? So most of the people get scared or feel nervous. What exactly is this all about? And I don't even know how can I deliver my best. But that's not the thing to be worried. Instead of worrying, rather what we can do is, even though it is a new thing, the approach would be either you approach to the experienced member, find out the details from them, or there are multiple sources wherein you can find the information these days. In this era of technology, there is nothing that you will not find any information, and Google is the best example. So it takes just a few minutes to go and do your research. First, researching is very important, and preparation. And preparation, as in at least you put some effort to know about it and try to come prepared for that. Whenever you are coming to this particular forum, even though if you have not done the preparation thoroughly, if you have not rehearsed or practiced anything, but having that awareness and having that information in your mind will help you to proceed further. This is the first point. Second, offering assistance. Now when you come in this forum, at times you are expected to assist the members and help here, because we join here and come here to help each other. Now guests generally will be in a very difficult phase initially to understand this process, as this is a very vast process and it's a very difficult for them to understand. You being the members of this club or the experienced members or the new joinees, whoever is aware, it's always expected from them to offer assistance to the guest or the new joinees. Right, like how we do in our teams as well. If any fresher comes, there is an ongoing job training program and someone is there to assist them, right? In the same way, we have to offer this assistance whenever it is required. Third, volunteering. Now, most of you might be aware of this term volunteering. There are several definitions and it varies from person to person. Now, volunteering in terms of this forum, what I want to highlight is people are leading this club and most of them are in a team. Successful club can be said when there is a team effort. So here, if someone is taking a role of president and he or she is responsible to manage the entire thing, but it doesn't mean that the other person who is handling any other role will not help. It is not this case. You should be always ready to volunteer or take the additional responsibilities whenever it is needed. So now, as we have an executive committee set up for this club, it will be all the EC members' responsibility to volunteer whenever it is required. Or the members of this club, if they have some time and have some bandwidth, they can also volunteer to help, and it's always a new learning experience. It's not that you will not learn anything out of it, but you will be getting a lot of learning experience. So I always urge to other members as well to know or volunteer others. Last point. Supporting. Now supporting, let's say we can define in this way here. Every member has to deliver a speech in his or her communication track. Now we assign mentors and mentor will be checking with the members. At times the mentor is not available. So it is expected from the other members or the friends to support them and motivate them in delivering the speech or completing their goals, educational goals. So whatever I am telling is this all specific to this particular forum itself, as this slide relates to that particular thing. Okay, any questions on this part? Creating a good impression. So these all are basic things which I believe everyone is knowing this, but when it comes of the implementation time, most of them forget. So it is very important to keep ourselves knowing and always aware of these things. Moving further. Welcoming guests. So Karishma, list down all the points. Okay. Now I discussed the first impression, how you have to exactly do. Here are a few of the points which you have to take care in terms of the guests. Now welcoming guest is a very important part because this itself will decide whether they will be interested further to join or not join. So whenever any guest is being invited, what generally you will be doing? You will be talking to them and ask them to just to come and join. But what after that? What steps we have to take here as in members to understand their needs and what exactly they felt about this particular meeting. So firstly, you need to greet guests. Always in Toastmasters, that is one of the tradition that everybody is greeted or welcomed in a more special way. What happens with this? When you greet or welcome any guest, so they will also feel special and they feel that they are being involved and they are not just the outsiders, right? When you invite to this meeting, they should be feeling that they are also involved as part of this meeting. So greeting guests and treating them special is a very important thing which we as in members needs to take care. Second, engage them in a conversation. Always try to see this fact that whenever you invite the guests, don't let them feel that they are left alone. Okay? Always try to engage them in some or the other conversation. Be it a speech, be it a table topics. Try to throw some general questions wherein that member can answer, that guest can answer to it. You have to see this way that you are engaging them in every possible way. Third, answer to their questions. Now, often times guests are not that open enough or they ask any question in this forum because they are very hesitant enough or they feel shy. Like even I used to do when I was a guest for the first time. So it would be our members' responsibility to understand this fact and if they are having some question in the mind to clear at that time itself. If that member is not able to answer their questions, try to approach or redirect them to the executive committee officers then and there. So it will answer their question immediately. If that question is left unanswered, so they will feel that I'm being ignored, so I don't want to join. So it all depends upon the mentality or the mindset of the guest. So we have to take care of all these small things in a very appropriately. Befriend them. What do you mean by befriend them? Yes. Here people come and they believe that it is a very friendly platform. Here nobody is criticizing anyone, right? We come here to help each other evaluate and provide a constructive feedback in a friendly way. That's the one of the key objectives. So always try to be friendly with the guests and make them feel comfortable in this group. Okay. Moving further. Invite them to another meeting or to join. So which we generally do, we invite them to join and after this we take care of them like whether they are interested to join the further meetings. Okay, let's go. I'll not take much time on this. So for the existing members, how you have to take care? Show the members that you care. Be a mentor. So always a mentor needs to be assigned and try to help them. Show interest in others. So in the existing members, we have to find if they are losing interest, then how we can build up that interest. Be considerate and evaluate effectively. Try to be considerate, meaning you need to take care of the existing members, what are their goals and how we can achieve. And evaluate effectively. Give an honest feedback. Try to evaluate their speech and not as a person. That's what this means. And recognize achievements. So recognizing achievements is an important thing. Whenever any member completes any educational goal or any award, try to recognize that member so that they feel special. And foster camaraderie. Camaraderie means brotherhood, right? So always try to have an post fellowship sessions after this meeting. So lastly, I want to conclude in this way that always try to respect each other's differences. And here everyone comes to share their ideas, so try to respect them. And successful club is only called when there is a successful team effort. Keep yourself engaging in a team and put efforts as a team, then only your club will be fine. Thank you. So any more questions? So let's take 2 minutes to